Here's the number one reason why you are losing federal, state, and local solicitations. Because you believe your way is the only way, the right way. Some may call it being a know-it-all. And I know this because I was the biggest know-it-all. And I had everybody call me Dr. Parks. Even when I would go through a drive-thru, I was like, no, I don't want just a burrito at Taco Bell. I need y'all to call me Dr. Parks. Do you want a burrito at Taco Bell? I'm serious. So I can relate. And I know you're amazing, and I know you have great experience. But when an opportunity calls for resumes, 10 years of experience, a reseller license, we must give that to them. If you don't have it, and even when partnering, if you still don't have those things, you may want to rethink submitting, because someone's going to review it and they're going to get everything they asked for versus not getting everything that they asked for. So if you're okay with, hey, I'm gonna try anyways, that's cool. But if you completely disregard it and think, I know better than them, chances are you're probably not going to win. They're not looking for somebody to come in and battle with. They're looking for a partner with someone who is going to be fiscally responsible with the contract award. 2, are you requesting a debrief? A debrief is simply asking for feedback. Could you provide feedback on why I was not selected for the opportunity? This doesn't just apply at the federal level, state and local. There was an opportunity with the great state of Oregon, didn't win. It was for staffing. And the point of contact wrote and said, you basically had everything. It's just that we didn't see that you had a ton of experience staffing these different medical positions. She was right. I didn't. And the company I partnered with didn't either. But now I know, because otherwise we start to fill in the blank. Oh, it's because of my business name. It's because of my email. It's because I'm located in Florida. And in reality, it was simply, we just didn't have that experience. Now I know I can course correct for the next time. 3, your price is too high, or we could be 3-4. Your price is too low. There are instances where I'd interviewed a gentleman and they said, hey, your quote for the roof, are you sure it's that amount? Which is code for, that's not enough. But then there are also times where a point of contact, state, local, federal may say, is this your best and final? That's code for, can we get a discount? And you can also ask, especially the state and local side, you can ask them, hey, what is your budget? What did you pay in the past? On the federal side, you can go to fpds.gov. You can ask the point of contact. And by getting price quotes or looking to see what they paid in the past or another agency paid in the past, it gives you an idea of the sweet spot. You're looking for the perfect pricing so that you're making a profit. That's why we're here. We are here to make a profit. So you want to make sure you do that. Number 4, you don't submit. You put in all this time, all this energy, and you don't submit. Sometimes it's worth just trying, because what's the worst that can happen? You win. I remember there was a contracting officer I spoke with, and he said, he contacted a vendor and said, hey, just want to let you know, congratulations, you are awarded the contract. Their response was, what, I won? I didn't want to win. So imagine you hire somebody to paint your walls and you're like, hey, okay, we're going to have you come in, paint the walls. I kind of want like a eggshell kind of color. What? You want your walls painted? I don't know about that. Whew, you start to lose confidence in the vendor. Now, thankfully, this contracting officer held this person's hand virtually to get them through the process, but this is a blessing. It is a blessing to be able to provide products and services at the state, local, federal level, but you can't if you don't submit. You must submit. You must submit. It's as easy as that. Last reason why several of you are not winning, because you're giving them a proposal that they didn't ask for. You're putting it in a PowerPoint, or you're putting in all this stuff they didn't ask for. You're giving them way too much. Somebody just wants a burger and fries. They don't need it in some cute packaging and to know the legacy of who made your fries. Just a burger and fries. They just want what they want. just by doing too much where it's not value add. Now, burger, fries, maybe they throw in, dessert or something. You might say, "Ooh, I like that." But it has to be value add. That's how you stand apart. That's why we like Google. We love YouTube. We love Amazon. It's value add. Think of all that you have learned from YouTube. I mean, not only from, my channel with the popping curls, like, subscribe, hit that notification button, but in general, it's value add. Oh, wait a minute. YouTube now has YouTube TV. Oh, shoot. Oh, YouTube now has the opportunity to pay so I don't have to watch commercials and things. Oh my gosh. Value add. Think in that way and you will win. Check out winnerswaybook.com. Get ready for our amazing challenge. You'll see the link below. Check out my Facebook group and continue to believe in yourself, because I believe in you. I know there isn't any reason you can't win. Like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and as always, everything is possible. Until next time, take care.